This is Auckland. Oh my God. Please stop raining. My boys have got 5 million metres of mesh to fit. We are so busy. It hasn't stopped raining for 2 days, a whole night. So a whole day, a whole night, and another whole day. Oh my God. Rain gods, you're against us. I would like you to finish. Now, stop raining. Thank you. Look at all the water. Can you believe this? We're having a flood here down near Dan's boat, which is undercover. We'll float it soon. If the water's come up so high, I'll just sail to the office. Oh my God.